Hi, this is Nana Bansal. Welcome to my YouTube channel StudyByNAV. I made this YouTube channel for the student who wants tuition, but due to this pandemic, they won't. So today let's start with the topic matrix. What is matrix? A matrix is an ordered array of elements which have horizontal rows and a vertical column. For example, this is a 3 by 3 matrix because this have 3 columns C1, C2 and C3 and 3 rows R1, R2 and R3. Therefore, its order is 3 by 3. Now the next topic is order of the matrix. What is the order of the matrix? If a matrix have 3 rows and 4 columns, then the order of a matrix is 4 by 4 into 3. For example, suppose our matrix is 4, 8, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. It has column 1, column 2, column 3 and rows R1, R2, R3. Therefore, it has 3 columns and 3 rows. Therefore, its order is 3 by 3. We can denote the rows by letter M and the columns by letter N. Therefore, the order of the matrix is M into N. The next topic is types of the matrix. We have several types of matrices. So let's start with row matrix. What is row matrix? A row matrix is a matrix which have only one row, single row, and different columns. For example, 5, 6 and 7. This matrix has only one row and 3 different columns. Therefore, it is known as row matrix. Now the next is a column matrix. What is a column matrix? Column matrix is same as a row matrix. As the name suggests, the column matrix is a matrix which have only one column and different number of rows. For examples, 5, 6 and 7. It has row 1, row 2 and row 3 but have only one column, that is a C1. That's why it is known as a column matrix. Now the next is a null matrix. What is a null matrix? Null matrix is that matrix whose each element is equals to 0. For example, first write a matrix 4, 6, 8, 2, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This is a simple matrix of 3 by 3, but this is not a null matrix. Whose all elements are equal to 0 is known as a null matrix. So if you have the different types of matrices, one is those whose elements is equals to 0 and one is like this whose all elements are different to each other, then don't be confused. The null matrix is a matrix whose all elements are equals to 0. The next type of matrix is rectangular matrix. What is a rectangular matrix? Rectangular matrix are those matrices which have different number of columns and rows. For example, in this matrix, we have elements 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9. In this matrix, we have 3 columns and 2 rows. Column C1, column C2 and column C3 and 2 number of rows R1 and R2. Therefore, in the rectangular matrix, M is not equal to N, where in this example M is equals to 3, M is equals to 2 and N is equals to 3. These are not equal to each other. The next type of matrix is a square matrix. In the square matrix, the number of rows and the number of columns are equal to each other. For example, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. In this matrix, we have column 1, column 2, column 3, row 1, row 2 and row 3. In this matrix, we have 3 columns and 3 rows. Therefore, M is equals to N. I hope you all understand. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you once again.